The VPN application. I'm going to show you guys how to use it like a pro. Stay tuned. This is the home screen of the application. As I said before, it's a very simple VPN, very straightforward, and little to no ads at all. So here down here, you can go select the server options. You can see here all the free servers, and over here the ultra section are extremely fast servers, but these will require you subscription. So if I tap on more option, nothing much for that, but those are all the servers for the application. So let's say you want to use one of these servers, let's say United States. All you have to do is just tap on that server that you would like to use. Once you have done that, you press connect, and you're pretty much good to go. And also, if you want to use the ultra servers, if you tap on one of these here, you're gonna need to either watch an ad or get subscribed or subscribe to the premium subscription. So let's tap on subscribe option here. This is where you can go to pretty much get your subscription. You have a one-time payment of 70 USD, and you can see the rest of the subscription prices here. But it's a very good VPN. I'm not gonna lie, it's very simple to use, very easy to use, and it's extremely fast. So give it a try and let me know in the comment section. See you in the next one.